Hey everybody, good morning. It's 8:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to take a look at today's severe weather outlook. Let's go to SPC.com, Storm Prediction Center, and our severe weather today is mostly focused in the south, places like the southeast and Texas. And other than that, that looks to be the biggest risk for severe weather in the next week or so, unless something else pops up. Let's take a look at our hurricane outlook. No activity in the Atlantic. There is something in the Pacific that we should keep our eyes on. It has a 90% chance of cyclone formation in 7 days. You can see its location south of the southern coast of Mexico. And again, just a general area of low pressure that has a 90% chance of forming within the next 48 hours and a 90% chance of forming into a tropical storm within the next 7 days. Central Pacific, nothing going on. Let's take a look at our NAO because, again, the NAO is mainly a factor between February 15th and April 15th, but it does have a small play in the weather and as you go beyond those dates. But it's looking to be neutral from now until the next 2 weeks, which means it's kind of not a non-factor because it's not positive or negative. So when it's neutral, other factors come into play. I do want to take a look at our current sea surface temperature anomalies, and we're going to take a look at that. So again, here's our current sea surface temperature anomalies. We are forecasted to go into a La Nina by fall and winter. And as you can see, that's kind of forming here in the equatorial Pacific. We see that kind of triangular cooler water shape kind of take place. That looks to be a La Nina forming. So we'll have to keep our eyes on that. Meanwhile, the Gulf is very hot, along with the Caribbean, along with places in the southern Atlantic. So we have a perfect track for storms and hurricanes to shoot through if we get a formation off these tropical waves in Africa. We'll have to monitor the dust there to see if we can see some waves in the next 30 to 60 days. But other than that, we have a cold PDO, which would support a La Nina. It looks like we have, I believe this would be a warm AMO where you have warm up top, cold below in the middle, and then warm below. So other than that, yeah, we do have our severe weather today. Just wanted to do a quick little update. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.